again. Anna Schmidt here, house healer, psychic development teacher and spirit clearer. And today we're going to explore, is dowsing dangerous? Da, da, da. A lot of people consider dowsing and any form of divination to be connecting to off-worldly beings, either light beings or the darker beings. They consider it a dangerous practice. It all comes down to intent. That is basically what I'm going to say. Your intention about who you want to connect to and what the connection is going to give you is going to manifest and create what you get coming back to you. It's the same old saying, what you put out is what you get back. I use pendulum dowsing every single day, 365 days a year. I use pendulum dowsing for connecting with spirit guides, to do readings for people, to do my energy field assessments and clearings for clients. I connect to a client's higher self. I've got an eagle flying around outside. Sorry, distraction. It's just you don't see eagles where I live very often. Pendulum dowsing rods are a really safe form of connecting with your guides. So if you like what I talk about today, please feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, let me know how you go with dowsing. Okay, so let's get into it. Is dowsing dangerous? Pendulum dowsing and dowsing rods are a form of divination. Just like reading cards, oracle cards, tarot cards, tealeaf readings, runes, throwing the bones. It's all about connecting with off-worldly beings. So the most important thing to remember when you are using a divination tool is your intent. If your intent is to connect with light beings, guides, angels, archangels, that is what you're going to get. If your intent through your dowsing and your divination is to connect to the darker beings, that is what you're going to get as well. So intent is your number one thing. What is your intent with your dowsing? Okay. Then it's about belief, trust, asking permission to work with your guides. It's about your attitude and your perception of, are you going to accept the information that's given to you? Do you have preconceived ideas and outcomes that you want from your dowsing? Because when you work with off-worldly beings, whether it be spirit guides, angels, archangels, you're going to get the information that you need, not what you want. This is a standard thing I say with all my clients, especially when I do card readings, is they're going to give you what you need. So you have to leave your ego at the door and just take what is given to you. So is dowsing dangerous? Absolutely not. It is all about your intent. One last thing I'll say is when you're doing dowsing is you need to get to know the energy of the tool that you're using. So if you're using rods, you'll get to know the way that they open and the way that they close, like the free flowing energy that comes with them. I use pendulum dowsing, and because I work with light beings, but I also come in contact with the heavier energies through my house healing work, I know when I have manipulators using my pendulum, because it goes from being free flowing and it just swings really smoothly to having a really heavy pull to it. And I will then know that there's something else using my pendulum and I will deal with that. So it's important to get to know the energy of the tool that you're using and how the energy flows when you're using it. Okay, I hope you found this interesting today. Just a little quick short video just to let you know that dowsing is absolutely safe to use. It's all about your personal intent. So if you like what I do, please feel free to subscribe. Leave me a comment. How do you find dowsing? Does it work for you? Does it not work for you? I'm up for having a discussion. I'll be back very soon with more videos, so stay tuned and I'll see you again soon.